The screen used to be different shape. All right, and then write this down, please, if you will be so kind as to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What are factors of children? Keith, what's a factor? A part? It is. It's two things that get multiplied. When we're asking about this, you ask yourself, what numbers, actually what whole numbers, multiplied will give you a number. Will give a number. So, let's look at the factors of these numbers. What times what gives you 1? It's tough, I know. Use all of your intellect. Elijah? Right. 1 times 1. What times what gives you 2, Jaden?
1 and 2.
1 times 2. So the factors of 1 and 2 are 1 and 2 are 1 and 2. Factors of 3? Factors of 3, Isabel? 1 and 3. Factors of 4. Things are starting to get a little complicated now, Brooklyn.
1 and 4.
Well, what about, don't forget 2. We're looking for all the factors at this point. Factors of 5. Okay. Okay.
1 and 5.
1 and 5. Factors of 6. Brianna?
1, 2, 3, 6.
There we go. 1, 2, 3, and 6. Factors of 7. Luke?
1 and 7.
Factors of 8. Grace?
16.
By the way, let's just stop right here. When you do these, and I told you this is 5th graders, but you forgot probably 80% of what you learned as 5th graders. When you write down all the factors of 8, Drew, what do you think I told you to do? Do you remember? You ain't gonna try? Not even a, well, maybe you told us to write with our best handwriting. Nobody? Isabel?
2. Pretend 1 and 2.
Right, or when you think of factors, think of the pairs as pairs. And I'll tell you why, because when you think of 8, as factors of 8, you should say, okay, 1 times what is 8? That's 8. And then 2 times 4. Because what happens is when you start getting numbers that have like really a lot of factors, like 24, everybody starts off with the 1, and guess what number they forget? The 24. So if you think about them in groups and write them down in groups, you're less likely to do that. 1 times 24, 2 times 12, 3 times 8, 4 times 6. And then once you got that, you have that. Because that's just a good way for you not to forget those high factors that you never remember. Or always forget to remember. Or you remember to forget. Oh, wow, since we did last night.
I'm sorry.
Factors of 9 then would be, Danny,
1 and 9.
and
3.
factors of 10 are, factors of 10, Emily,
5, 2, 1.
you have who?
5, 2, 1.
No, what did you say, 10?
Oh, 5, 2, 10.
I usually try to get them out of there, okay. So those are what we call factors, and they will ask you for that. Now the reason they put that here is for our next little thing here. New piece of paper.